Bravo! In lesson waste, my first, segregate biodegradable from non-biodegradable. Second, reduce, reuse, recycle, and refill. And third, lessen or eliminate the use of non-biodegradable materials. I think you are now ready with our lesson for today, which is poor environmental sanitation. Take a look at the picture. How can you describe it? Is it clean? No, it's not. Because we can define sanitation as common term used to describe the safe disposal of garbage and human waste. Most governments have typically built the basic sanitation infrastructure enjoyed by people, but in most countries, this has not been done. Illnesses and conditions caused by environmental factors are collectively called environmental diseases. Pesticides, chemicals, radiations, air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution are some man-made hazards that cause diseases and disorders. Potential illness-causing agents are everywhere, either at home, at work, or at play. Respiratory diseases include diseases of the lungs, pleural cavity, bronchial tubes, trachea, upper respiratory tract, and the nerves and muscles of breathing. It ranges from mild and self-limiting, such as common colds, to life-threatening, such as bacterial pneumonia or pulmonary embolism. Germs are everywhere. They can be found in air, on food, plants, and animals, in soil and water, and on every surface, including the body. A skin infection can be resolved in a skin inflammation known as dermatitis. Examples are acne, athlete's foot, and psoriasis. While gastrointestinal diseases and disorders takes place when we accidentally take in contaminated food or unclean drinking water, diarrhea and food poisoning are some of the results of which. In order to enjoy living, we must be responsible with our actions towards our environment. The following are some ways that we must do to keep ourselves away from diseases. Number 1. Cleaning and keeping water supply safe. Number 2. Cleaning and keeping air ambient safe. Number 3. Promoting efficient and safe waste disposal. Number 4. Protecting food from pollution. And number 5. Maintaining adequate housing in clean and safe surroundings. Water is of major importance to all living beings. Human body is made up of 60% of it. Here are some important reasons why we need to drink clean water. First, it keeps us hydrated. 2. It flushes toxins in our body. 3. It gives healthier skin and complexion. And number 4, it reduces the risk of becoming overweight. We can keep water clean and safe by first, help clean up streets. Second, never pour chemical down sinks or toilets. Third, plant vegetation along stream banks. Fourth, use safe products whenever you can. And fifth, recycle and dispose all trash properly. Now let's also discuss about air pollution. Air pollution occurs when there are high concentrations of particles that are harmful to humans and animals. The gases and particles that cause air pollution are referred to as air pollutants. There are many reasons that causes air pollution, and some of which are the following: burning of fossil fuel, gas emission from industrial and electrical facilities, motor vehicles exhaust, gasoline vapor and chemical solvent, improper waste disposal, and lastly, we have illegal logging and kaingin system. Here are some ways to reduce air pollution. First, cut down on burning fossil fuels. Avoid riding on vehicles or motorcycles. Instead, use alternative way of transportation like using bicycles, walking, or jogging. Second, choose a fuel-efficient car or truck when buying vehicles. Third, turn off the appliances when not needed. Fourth, avoid smoking cigarettes. Fifth, follow anti-smoke belching drives. And sixth, plant more trees that will help reduce carbon dioxide.